What's going on, good people? Check it out. This review is going to be for the Microshift Sword 1x10 left shifter, brifter, whatever you want to call it. No dropper lever. I don't do droppers. Leave that for Joe Breeze back in the 80s with the height right. That's the last dropper I used. All right, first impressions out of the box. I purchased them off of eBay. Everything came just wrapped in bubble wrap, nothing in boxes. They actually sent the wrong shifter. They sent a 1x left with the drop seat post. Fought back and forth with the guy. They gave me a $7 refund for sending me the wrong part. They wanted me to send everything back, but didn't feel like doing that. So I wound up buying this on Amazon. Left shifter, brifter, just for brakes. Pretty snappy. Well, I don't want to say chintzy or cheap, but I'm going to say that, chintzy or cheap. I don't know if the lever here is metal, might be an aluminum, but it just feels really cheap. I like the shifter pads here, the paddles. That puts it up to a smaller, a bigger cog. This will knock it down to a smaller one. Hoods are nice. Comfortable, ergonomic, if that's the word they use these days. Back to the derailleur. It's the Sword. It's got a clutch on it. I really haven't noticed much difference with the clutch on or off. I'm gonna switch it up into the largest cog in the back so you guys can see what kind of chain stretch we got going on. All right, that is fully extended. I don't think I could go any further. I have a 1/16 KMC chain on there. Front chain ring. I don't have my glasses on. It looks about a 38, I think, wolf tooth. Drop stop B. I think if I put more links on, I'd have some sag, because when I got in the lowest, I think it's a 10 at the bottom, there's a little bit of chain slap. So anyway, the shifting is good. Like I said, very crisp. I paid $253, and the only reason I bought this, I have mechanical brakes, mechanical disc brakes, and I didn't want to switch over to hydraulics on this bike. I like hydraulics, but these TRP spires work well. Went with some Jaguar compressionless tubing housing. So if you do grab these and are using TRPs, I would go with the, if you're into mechanicals, I'd spend it. Like I said, comfort is good. Shift is very good. Just the quality is, it's chintzy cheap. All right, thanks Microshift. I'd buy more of your products. I have in the past. Bar end shifters, big fan of back in the day. Anyway, that's it.